Morning. Today we'll learn a new chapter, a new chapter, that is chapter 6, linear inequalities into variables. Okay, and the first one, what we will do today is 6.1a. How do you represent a situation in a form of a linear inequality? Okay, first, do you still remember what's the meaning of inequality? Okay, equal means this symbol, yeah. So inequality meaning not equal. Not equal. How do you? Is there any other symbols, for what not the same? If you still remember in the lower form, you study about if it's not equal, that means it's either more than or less than. And another one is you can also write more than or equal, less than or equal. Yeah, class? So today what we will learn is we will learn about inequality. We will use all these symbols, all these symbols. So I hope you still remember, about this very important symbol. So class, when you see this sign on the road, signboard, what do you understand by that? Yeah, this is the speed limit. That is, when you drive a car, you can only drive 60 kilometer per hour, the speed. So, you can drive, if let's say the speed is S, so this is 60 kilometer per hour. What inequality do you write here? What is the symbol? So can you drive more than 60 or less than 60? So you can only drive, if you see this symbol, this sign, you can only, the speed can be less or the same as 60. You cannot go above 60. The police will fine you. Okay. And then sometimes you'll see this height limit, this terowong, the tunnel. It is 4.75 meter. Yeah. So let's say height. How do you write it? Yeah, your vehicle, your lorries, your big vehicle the height cannot be more than 4.75, so it become less. Yeah. Okay, so that refresh you about inequalities. And if you see here, there is no unit. You don't have to write the unit if you write inequality. Okay, next. Okay, now let us represent the given situation in a form of linear inequalities using suitable variable. So variable is to remember, variable is something that you write X or Y, A or B, that is the variable, yeah. Okay, the question is, Madam Linda wants to prepare fish and prawns dishes, in conjunction with the Chinese New Year celebration. The cost of a kilogram of mackerel is a fish, 25, 25, and a kilogram of prawns is 45, and you cannot, you write mackerel is too long, so you represent it in a variable, X. So let X be 25, Y the prawn be 45. Okay, Madam Linda wants to spend 250, 250. Hence, what is the linear inequality? How do you write it? So, for mackerel, it's 25 ringgit, and if Madam Linda buy X number, X number, that means times X plus For the prawn, 45 ringgit. And if she buy Y number, so you times Y. So 250 here. So what do you put the symbol here? Can she buy more than 250? No, because she has only 250. So she can only buy less or the same, less or equal to 250. Okay, you can write like this, the linear inequality. And actually you can simplify also. Yeah, you can simplify this linear inequality. So you can see this one, you divided by 5, divided by 5, divided by 5. So this is 5x plus 9y less or equal to 50. So you can write either one. Yeah, either one. This is more simplified lah. Okay. Okay, next Alex. Ni Alexander maybe ni. Bought X kilogram of banana and Y kilogram of apple. Okay, this one given already your variable X and Y with the total mass of both fruits is at least 6 kilogram. This word at least is very important. So the total mass. So how do you write the linear inequalities? So X plus Y. This one 6. So what do you put here? At least. Can it be more than 60 and more than 6 or less than 6? Okay, it can be, because at least that means minimum is 6. So it can be more than 6 or equal to 6. Yeah. So that is how you write the linear inequalities. Okay, now how do you verify the conjecture about points in the region? Yeah, now you will learn about the region, yeah, that satisfy a linear inequality. Okay, do you still remember this number line? Number line. Okay, let's say you have x equal 1. So x equal 1 is here. So if you have a linear inequality, let's say x more or the same as 1. This one, there is a region for this, yeah. So actually it can be you can draw the region, yeah. X, so I think you still remember last time we learned this in your low form. So the region will be on the right here, and then from here, all this region can be or satisfy these linear inequalities. Yeah, of course, if you have one here, of course it's more than 1. Here, more than 1. Every point you put here, it will be more than 1. And if let's say less, that means the region will be over here. Yeah. Okay, that is number line. But today, in this chapter, we learn about Cartesian plane. Yeah, Cartesian plane. Cartesian plane, you have y-axis and x-axis. So let's say you have a line here. Yeah, you have a straight line here, and what do you name it? Because it cut the x-axis. This is x equal 3. But what is the region for x more or equal to 3? So the region must be at the right hand side here. All the area here, all the region here. Yeah. And you can see all the points here will always be more than 3. Okay, so that is the region. Let's see More example. Okay, let's say you have this straight line, y equal mx plus c. Y equal to mx plus c is a straight line, but the above this line, above this straight line, you have a region. You have a region, and this region, this pink area, you call it y more or the same as mx plus c. And then the region below this straight line, the blue color, you call it y less or same as mx plus c. Do you get it? It's very simple. And if your straight line, because you have this minus gradient, so your straight line is like this, your straight line. So above this region of this straight line, above it is the linear inequalities. You can write as this one, more. More. And below the straight line, it is y less or same or equal to negative mx plus c. Easy, right? Okay, let's see, your straight line is in a form of y equal to h. That means your h is here lah. Your h is here. So region above this line, this is the line, above this line, the pink color, region, area, the region, this is y more or the same as h. For below the straight line, it is y less or same h. Okay, very simple. For this one, when your straight line is your k is here, your k is here. So once again, at the right hand side of the line, x equal k, the blue color, it is region for x more or equal to k. And then for the left hand side, left hand area, the region on the left of the straight line here, it is called x less or equal to k. Okay. Let's see example 3. Example 3. Draw a straight line. Okay. Do you still remember how to draw? And with this range given to you, x will be -1 to 5, and then you have to plot the points. This one also you have learned before this. You have 6 points over there, 6 points. And then the question is, determine whether the points plotted satisfy y equal -2x plus 6 or while y more than -x plus 6 or y less than -2x plus 6. Okay, so we want to draw a straight line. So you need 2 points. You need 2 points to draw a straight line. So I just choose x, -1 and 5, because this is the range of the graph, So if x is -1, you just put -1 here, the x, so you'll get 4, and no, not 4, -1 times -2 times -1 is 2 plus 6, it's 8, and if it is 5, then the answer is, when it is 5, that means it is -4, -4. So you draw you draw the this one, you plot the 2 points here, and then you draw the line, yeah, the straight line here. Okay, then you check on the points, yeah, you check on the points. Okay, after you have drawn the straight line, then you plot, yeah, you plot the points. So all the points here have been plotted, yeah, here, and then here, 3, 4, 5, 6. They are very easy to plot the coordinates, yeah, the points, yeah. And then now you determine the points. So let's say 1, 4, 1, 4, and 4, 2. What do you see here? It is on the straight line. So it satisfies the equation. Yeah, satisfy the equation. So this symbol is equal to. Yeah, because it is on the straight line. Okay, let's see the other points. 2, 6, 2, 6, and 4, 3. What do you see here? It is above this straight line. It's above. So it satisfies the inequality for y more than. Yeah, still remember previously? So the region is the inequality is this. So for 0, 1, for this point and also this point, yeah, it satisfies the below region, yeah, the blue color here. So the inequality is less. Yeah, very easy, yeah. Okay, next. Okay, example 4. This one, without drawing the graph of a straight line, determine whether the given point satisfies this equation and these two inequalities. So how do you do it? Yeah, you have 4 points here. How do you determine whether the points satisfy which and which? Yeah. Okay, we start with 2, 5. Yeah, with the point 2, 5. So how to do it? You have to make a table. Yeah, a table like this, and then you put the equation y here, left hand side, and then the other side is -3, the right side, yeah, -3x plus 6. So y, this is your x, this is your y, yeah. So your y is 5, you write 5 here, and then you just substitute the x with 2, yeah, here, and then you'll get 0. 5 and 0, what's the relationship here? What do you see? 5 and 0. It is 5 more than 0. Thus, points 2, 5 satisfies the inequality for y more than -3x plus 6. Yeah? Okay, for 2, 1, 2, this is your x, this is your y. So your y you write here 2, your x you put 1, so you get 3. So 2 and 3, what do you see? Less. 2 is less than 3. Thus, 0.12 satisfies y less than 3x plus 6. Yeah? Okay, for -1, 9. So 9 here, and then when you put -1 here, it will become 9 also. So equal, 9 equal 9. So the point satisfy this equation, yeah, equal. And then for 0, 8, you found out that 8 more than 6, so it satisfies this equation more. Yeah, so that is very easy, very simple. Yeah. Okay, so that's it, class. With this information, knowledge that you learn, you can do exercise 1.1, 6.1a and also 6.1b. So I'm very confident that you can do it because maths is fun and easy. And all the best to you. Bye bye.